Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And could I eat caviar every day after trying this one from BESTER? The answer is an absolute resounding yes. So I've had inferior caviar in the past that was eating like gelatinous goo. So when I tried this trio of sturgeon caviar, I wasn't sure what to expect, but I was completely blown away. To begin with, we all wanted to be able to experience the taste of the caviar without anything interrupting it. So we all did caviar bumps. You just place that caviar between your thumb and index finger, let it warm there for about 30 to 45 seconds, and then you simply lick it off. Press the caviar up to the roof of your mouth and you're going to experience this burst of flavor. And it really gives you a good idea of the quality of caviar that you're tasting. We really enjoyed the experience of each of these individual caviars, from the mild and buttery, creamy taste of the Beluga Hybrid to the nutty Ossetra Classic, and then the fresh, lightly briny Siberian Classic. They all had amazing flavors. It just lights up your taste buds. This Czar Trilogy sampler set comes with mini blinis, creme fraiche, 2 mother of pearl spoons, and a can opener along with each of the tins of caviar. You really have everything that you need for a beautiful experience. And it comes next day delivery on ice in a cooler with a cooling bag, so everything is super fresh and ready to go. So whether you're looking to expand your horizons with a true delicacy, or you want to share it with family and friends for a culinary experience, you cannot go wrong with any of the caviar from BESTER, and that's my point of view.